All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got some Badgeskins. Today, we're doing only one Badgeskin. However, this is going to be something that's going to be quite a transformation on the Golf R. We're going to be blacking out our Volkswagen emblem. As you guys can see, right there, that wonderful line. We'll say garage door 1, Volkswagen 0. Unfortunately, due to a little bit of a lapse in space and judgment, we accidentally closed the garage door on the car. With that said, not much other damage has been done. We got a little scratch right there. Everything can be buffed out. I'm very familiar with paint correction, fortunately, I haven't done a paint correction at all on this car. So we'll be doing that. Then we'll re-ceramic coat, and we might actually paint protect the bumper. I know we've kind of waited a little bit, maybe too long, because we do have a fair amount of rock chips, but I don't know. Time will tell. But we got some freaking doinkers right there. You got a little rock chip right there. Rock chip right there. I think that was actually a bird, if I do recall. We have a rock chip right there as well. But anyway, I don't want to identify any more rock chips because it's at this point just depressing. So let's get to work. We're going to just be installing this and kind of just show you guys that entire process. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, this is super important just to make sure we get some proper adhesion. We're going to be cleaning the area with some alcoholic wipes. Yeah, we'll get that. Again, I'm not super concerned about that scratch being there. I don't think that's going to be a bit of an issue when it comes to installation. Of course, we'll certainly wait and find out. Also kind of gouge the outer piece. Again, be good with your judgment when it comes to garages and doors. I was pretty rushed to get home one day. So now we'll just kind of dry off the area. Not super concerned about any lint being left behind. You can definitely tell this car gets driven. Got a fair amount of little chipperoonies on here, but here is our blackout badge kit. All right, you guys. This is our kind of make sure you get it right the first time type of deal. But I usually don't. So I wonder how the best way to sort of position this. I guess maybe kind of align maybe this top part with the hood. So, all right, guys, how's that looking? It actually came out pretty all right. I can't complain. Got a couple spots I'm not super in love with, again, a little crease here, but just can't do much about those types of things. And hopefully once we slap on the VW logo, it'll pretty much hide all of the imperfections. All right, so the all-important VW logo. Let's make sure it all comes off as one. It's quite important for this process to go smoothly. Again, if you have trouble making sure it all goes up, just tap a corner so it'll adhere or adhere to that. Oh, adheres, the English language. Boom. All right. And This part is the OCD in me screaming. All right, here we go. Here goes nothing. Oh my God, you guys. Let's get rid of this ugly tape. Boom, boom. Check that out. As you guys can see, pretty squared on. This thing is not going anywhere. Looks darn good. I got no complaints. It's darn centered to me. I mean, I can't think of any flaws about this. Guys, oh my God. This looks so good. I was worried it wasn't really gonna show up the Volkswagen logo that well, but it really does. And again, that gloss black complements the contrasting matte black. So I do recommend doing this, guys. If you have a facelift car with the kind of the one-piece badge in the front, definitely consider doing it. Now I really have to think of how I'm gonna black out the rear badge. But as you guys can see, the front just looks so darn good. I think what the next thing I'm gonna do is first clean the car again, and then we're gonna black out these chrome pieces. I want this thing looking perfect. Maybe we'll do some amber deletes, who knows. We have so much left to do on this car. I'm really excited for where it's gonna go. But now we have our new revised front badge. This thing looks so good, guys. I want to thank Badgeskins for sending this product out. It's really awesome. You know, obviously they have really good products, and it's really cool to kind of see how each and every product will really enhance the way this car looks. I will say this is a huge difference, having now a full black out grille, and something that I'm going to probably keep on the car for quite some time. I really do like it. It looks awesome, and it really ties in nicely, you know, with kind of the theme that we got going on. We now have an all black badge in the front, black wheels. It's coming together real nice. So thank you again to Badgeskins, and thank you to all my supporters for watching and supporting me, and look forward to more of these to come. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.